It's lower on the brake, bit more pressure. Good. So this mirror, look at how close it looks in this mirror.
Too close.
Look at the right mirror, look at the left mirror, use your wing mirrors, okay? If you don't have a camera, what are you going to do?
Yeah.
Okay. The car might roll back.
Yeah.
Remember that. So, but just
Right,
see how you go. What are you forgetting though?
What am I forgetting? Indicating.
Yep.
5 seconds.
That's okay.
Right?
Isn't it? Yeah, 5 seconds. By the time you look and think about it, yeah. And then just crawl it out. That's it. Now back on the brake, remember? And keep checking. Yeah, just let it roll nice and smooth.
Yeah, it's really that slope. Like that.
It's tough, right? And that's why if you're closer, it's more difficult. And takes more time. And then, you know, you're slowly coming out. Someone flies in, barrels into the street. That's what happened to me before. That van came in quite quickly while I was reverse parallel parking. They weren't there before. Excellent. That's good. So at the roundabout, take the first exit. It's good. Good. Before signalling, did you look in your mirrors?
I didn't.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. You review it on the video. At the roundabout, take the third exit. So remember observation, communication. Great. Yeah, excellent. So in that scenario, focus on this.
That's fine. The slight distraction is good because Cam kept getting me with that as well. I forgot the exit.
That's okay. Good. That's it. Self-assess, right? Okay, so with your roundabout there and checking your mirrors before turning right, what could come up the left of you?
Cyclist.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So it's about, that's what you're kind of looking for as well. So that left mirror check in that scenario might help. Is helpful as well, avoiding cyclists coming up on the left of you. At the next roundabout, take the first exit. Good. Yeah. Okay, so it's alright. Do you need to check your blind spot? Yes. Excellent. Why do we need to check our blind spot there?
Just the wing mirror is not going to show me
Enough.
everything.
Yeah.
It could be in my field of vision.
At
so
the
it could be-
roundabout, take the fourth exit.
Okay.
Which one's that?
Back the way I'm going.
Yeah, U-turn. Good. So make a U-turn. Good, checking that left. Yeah, great. There you go. Beautiful. Yeah, maybe just take it nice and easy. Very good. Excellent. At the roundabout, turn right. Okay. Observation. Good. Good. Just remember a little double, triple check to the right before entering, okay? Because think about your visibility and the housing and the fences and how they're blocking your visibility. With that big bump before, sometimes there's not much you can do about that in terms of avoiding it by moving left or right. Slow down a little bit, treat it like a speed hump if you do see something like that. There's a lot of them here in that Brunswick suburb, Carlton North I should say, but Brunswick mainly. You can see them here, right? Do you know why the road's like that?
It's the roots, right?
The roots of the trees in the middle of the... They didn't think about that when they were planting, did they? Right. And, removing the trees might cause a ruckus.
Yeah.
But... And sometimes they do make things a big one. Careful. That's a big one. Yeah. So remember your mirror checks, right? Not just before signalling, before actually deviating from your lateral position, moving from your lateral position, diverging, merging. At the roundabout, turn left. Observation. Do you need to check your blind spots? Always ask yourself that. Do you need to check your blind spot?
Might as well.
Yeah, excellent. And rather than saying head check or shoulder check, so I'm pretty sure I spoke to Cam about that. I don't know if he says the same thing, but I've said, have you checked your blind spot?
Right.
Because it makes you think more about
what I'm actually looking for.
What you're looking for, the fact that you're blind, this and that, right? That you can't see if you're looking just in the mirror. Roundabout. I turn right, sorry. Yeah, good. Make a U-turn, sorry. Fourth exit. Apologies. Fourth exit. Good. Bloody beautiful, smooth. Are you following the YouTube channel at all?
I'm not.
Oh, okay. I don't know. Do you have YouTube? Most people have YouTube, right?
Yeah.
You don't have to follow it, but go on there. If you can, I mean, it's good to subscribe to it because I put up content for all of you. No, there's a video of you.
Okay. That would be nice viewing.
Yeah, have a look at it. It's a quick one. It's a minute, I think, and it is the roundabout exit signal. Because you're very good at it, it's good.
Sometimes.
So did you need it there?
Optional.
There's no one there, but you use it. Make habit, right?
Better to be in the habit of doing it.
So at the roundabout, make a U-turn. So observation, is there a cyclist on your left as you're about? Yeah. Remember with roundabouts, if you notice, you kind of start veering left slightly.
Right.
So that's why you need to check that left mirror and blind spot. Good. So you're moving to the left from the lateral position that you were in. It's good.
Is that a good thing to do or something I should try?
Yeah, you're following the course of the road.
Right.
You drive. It's fine. I mean, you're going with the way the road's designed, right? Like here, you're going like this, and then you're going straight. So you're going diagonally to the right, and then you're straightening up. Here, you can see it's slightly going. It's going diagonally left, right, and then it's going to So the roundabout, take the second exit. Which one's that?
Straight across.
Good. Yeah. Good. Check again. Yep. See what I mean? So you looked before you entered, but your visibility was poor. Signal to exit and cancel. Fantastic. Good. What can you check on the exit of the roundabout? Yeah, internal mirror.
Review.
Did anyone have a review? Have a look around? Anyone come with you? At the roundabout, take the first exit up Mitchell Street. Keep forgetting to say street names. Good. So you just take it easy. Good. Yeah, if it's safe, come in. Yeah. Is there a cyclist? So there, you'd want that blind spot check. Did you check your blind spot?
I had another look at the end, but the thing is,
be careful with this. Yeah,
going through the motions. I just don't know if I'm like
that's cool. Watch back over it.
Conscious enough while I'm checking.
I've recorded it. I'll check it up. What I'll do is I'll put the video up on the YouTube channel. I'll put the because what I like to do is how